Hi, good evening all. Today we can continue that the division algorithm method. I told about division algorithm method, how to do the division. So, general form is P of x is equal to G of x, Q of x plus R of x. So, it is the general formula, that is dividend is equal to give answer into quotient plus remainder. So, R of x is remainder and Q of x is quotient, G of x is divisor and P of x is the dividend. So, I done the two problems in that division algorithm. So, let us take the next for example. They will give you find all the zeros. Find all zeros of polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that two of the zeros, they given two of the zeros values. So that is root 2 and minus root 2. So here in this problem, they given you find all zeros. They are given two zeros values. So one is root 2 and minus root 2. How can you write in the equation form? For root 2, you can write s minus root 2 is equal to 0. That will become s is equal to root 2. This one s minus root 2. If you s minus root 2 x plus root 2 is equal to 0 means s is equal to minus root 2 it will come. So the value we have to make 0. So s minus root 2 and s plus root 2. This is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. It is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So x into x, the formula is a square minus b square. So a is the x here. So x square minus b is here root 2 whole square. So root 2 whole square means this square and cancel, it will remain x square minus 2. So x square minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus ax cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. So they given two zeros and I have taken the values and I written in the simplest form. Then you have to divide this one 2x raised to 4. 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 divided by, it is x square minus 2. So x square minus 2. So what is there here? 2x raised to 4 is there. So x raised to 2 is there. So to make 2x raised to 4, you have to multiply by 2 also is there, no? 2x square. So x square into 2x square. 2x raised to 4. 2x raised to 4. Then minus 2 into 2x square. It is minus 4 minus 4x square. So write in the downside only their formula. If it is not in present means it is 0 only. 0 x cube. So minus 4x square equal to minus 2x raised to 4 get cancelled. Then this is minus 3x cube and this 0 is there. So nothing means it will take minus 3x cube. This is plus will become 3 square minus 4 square is plus will become because subtraction we are doing. So 4 square minus 3 square is plus s square. Then plus 6x minus 2. Then you can take x square is there, so we have to make the x cube. So to make x cube, you have to multiply by minus 3x minus 3x. So x square into minus 3x is 3 into x square x cube. So minus 3x cube plus x square into minus 2 into minus 3. So plus 6x minus 2 into minus 3. So plus 6x. Here nothing is there, means 0 only you can take. So 6x. Then this will become plus. Downside numbers will be changed because subtraction means the downside number you have to change the sign. So this one will get cancelled. This is 0 means nothing is there. X square is there, x square. Then 6x and 6x will cancel because minus will be there. So and remaining 2. Then x square is there, x square is there. So multiply by 1 plus 1. So x square into 1 is x square minus 2 into 2 is minus 2. So x square get cancelled and this one will become plus. So it is also get cancelled. So the remainder is 0. So the quotient will be 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So this is the q of x and this is the g of x and this is p of x and this remainder is 0. So two roots they have given. So you have to find out the two roots. How means it is this x square minus 2 is a factor of 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So this one you have to split it. How means 2x square minus, we have to split the middle term. So 1 into 2 is 2. So to make 3, minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2x minus x plus 1. So 2x square, 2x you take common. So x minus 1, then minus x minus 1. So it will become 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. So I will repeat once again. You got the number, this equation you got the as the q of s, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So you have to split it the middle term. So middle term splitting means you have to take here minus 3x is divided into two terms, minus 2x minus x. This is plus 1 because 2 into 1 is 2. To make 3, how to minus 2 minus 1 you become 3. So minus 2x into x. So 2x square minus 2x square, 2x you take common, then remaining is x square is there. So x minus 2x is there. So 1 minus 1 you take common. Minus 1 into x is minus x. This should become plus 1. So minus into minus is so x minus 1. Then you common factors x minus 1, x minus 1. So x minus 1. This is 2x minus 1. So the values will be 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 1 because we are converting these two factors into 0. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. This one x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 goes, that's x is equal to 1. So the factors of other two are that is root 2 they given, minus root 2 they given, this one 1 by 2 and 1. So the roots are root 2 minus 2 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 1. So you can do the exercise problems. If you understood this problem easily, then you can do any problem. So they will give you here two zeros, you have to make that factor, and factor that is you have to divide it, and after the division, if remainder is continuous, it is a factor of that factors, and you have to take this number has to split into two terms, that is factor of two terms. So 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is 2x minus 1 into x minus 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to 1. Then exercise problem, first one, the given, divide the polynomial p of x by g of x. P of x is the given p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Then the given g of x x square minus 2. So they given x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So g of x is the square minus 2. So you have to find out the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So how you have to do? You have to divide it. X square minus 2, then x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So minus 3. Then x square is there, so you have to make it x cube. So you have to multiply by x. Then it will become x square into x is x cube minus 2 into x is minus 2x. So here nothing is x square is not there present, no. Minus 2 into minus 2 x. So you have to write the downside that same powers. So minus 2 into x is minus 2x. This one nothing is there, 0. So x cube plus 0 square minus 2x. Then minus get cancelled, 0 means nothing, so I have to minus 3x square as it is. This is 5x, this is plus will become. So 5x plus 2x is 7x. This remaining is minus 3. So x you have to make now 3x square. So x square is already present, so you have to make minus 3. You have to multiply by minus 3. It will become minus 3x square. Minus 2 into 3 is plus 6. Nothing is means you can write which is not there, no, so you have to write 0 to x, then it will not be confused. So easily you can do. You can change the signs. This is minus, so this will get cancelled. 7x plus is nothing but 7x only. 7x minus 3 is there, minus 6 is there, so minus 9. 7x minus 9. So the quotient will be, because 7x minus 9 is there, so it is the power degree of 2, this is degree of 1, so we can't do the next step, so we should stop the division process here only, so that q of x is equal to x minus 3 and r of x is equal to 7x minus 9. So first we have to take the dividend number and p of x, that is, and you have to divide by g of x, then you got the quotient and remainder. The remainder should be the lesser than the degree of the divisor. So first we have to take x square, x cube, we have to make x cube. So I multiply by x, then minus the x square. So x square term is not there, means you have to put 0. Then you take minus 23 is minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Then 5x will become 7x and 3x square, 0 is nothing but 0 only. So you can take directly first term, minus 3x square plus 7x minus 3. Then you have to make minus 3x square. X square is already present. So minus 3x square plus minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. So x term is not there. So you have to make 0 only. Then it will not be confused. So this will get answered 7x, 0 is negligible. So 7x minus 3 minus 6. So minus 9. So next minus 9 is the r of x and q of x minus 3. Then second one, the given, so you can take directly x square. You have to write in the order. So first degree of 2, degree of 1, and then constant number. So x square is there, the given plus 1, the minus x. So you have to take first minus first x, so minus x, then number plus 1. So this is g of x. Then the given p of x, x raised to 4, 3x square plus 4x plus 5 plus 4x plus 5. So x square minus x plus 1, x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So it is in the degree of 4 and it is there in the 2. So you should factor that one. X square is there, so to make x raised to 4 you have to multiply by x raised to x square. So it will become x raised to 4. Then minus x into minus x square is minus x cube. Here minus x cube. Then here x square value is not present, so you have to make here plus 0x square, then plus 1 into x square, so it will become plus x square. X square is raised to 4 minus x cube, then 1 into x square is x square, so x square is there here, right here only. 1 into x square is x square plus x square. Then here it is not there, no, so you have to write here 0x cube, no, minus x cube, because minus x into 1 is minus x cube plus x square minus x cube minus x cube. So you should subtract this one, x raised to get cancelled, then minus 3x square, this is minus 4x square, and also this minus x cube is there. So you take first that only, because order you have to take in order. It is minus is there, so it will become plus. So downside is there, so it will become plus. So plus x cube minus 4x square, then 4x plus 5. So next x square is there, you have to make x cube. So you multiply by x plus x. So x square into x is x cube, minus x into x is minus x square. So 1 into x is plus x. So x cube get cancelled. Here plus will become, that also should be, you have to change the sign. If it is minus, you have to make plus. If it is plus, you have to make minus. Minus 4x square plus x square. Minus 4 and minus 1 only. Minus 4 and 1 is minus 3. So minus 3x square. This is also minus 4x minus x is 3x plus constant term. So minus 3x square is there. So plus x. So then you have to make minus 3, because here minus 3x square is there. So you can take minus 3. Then x square into minus 3 is minus 3x square. Then minus into x is plus 3x. Then 1 into 3 is minus 3. Minus 3. So here it will become plus, it will become minus, and this will become plus. So this will get cancelled. 3x will get cancelled. Plus 5 is a minus 3. So it will become 2. But you have to change the sign. So plus 5, it is plus 3. So 8. So remainder is 8. So q of s is equal to x square plus x minus 3, x square plus x minus 3, and r of x is 8. So you have to find q of x and r of x. So how I done is, first you have to take the g of x and write in the dividend is that a p of x. Then you have to make the equal value. So x square is there, you have to make s raised to 4. So you have to multiply by x square. So s raised to 4. Then this x square is multiplied, this 3 times you have to multiply. So minus into x square is minus x cube. So I written here. Then 1 into x square is x square. So plus x square I written here. Then minus x cube. Then 4s plus 5 is remaining. So you have to write that down. S raised to 4 can't answer, and minus 3 minus 1. So minus 4 square. Then first you have to take minus is there. So you have to change the sign. So it becomes x cube. X cube minus 4 square plus 4x plus 5. So then you have to multiply by x cube is there. So you have to multiply by plus x. So x cube minus x into x minus x square. Then plus 1 into minus 3 x is plus x. Then change the sign. Then it will become minus 3x square. Then it will become 3x plus 5. Then you take minus 3. You have to multiply minus 3 because minus 3 is there. So minus 3 square plus 3x plus 5. Then minus 3 square plus 3x minus 3. So this one remainder is 8. So q of is equal to x square plus x minus 3 and r is equal to 8. So like that you try for the third one. Third one you only try. If you don't get, please comment in the comment box. I will teach you how to do. Next pain. Next, for the next thing given, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So first they given first polynomial as t square minus 3. Then second polynomial is 2t raised to 4 minus plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So minus 12. First polynomial t square minus 3, and then second is 2 raised to 4 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So you have to show that the factor, it is a factor. So it is factor means the remainder should come 0. So you can do it. 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 minus 12. So if you do this one, you take this one t square minus 3 as the g of x, then t square is there. To make t raised to 4 you have to multiply by 2t because t square is there. 2 raised to 4 means t square and 2 also there. So 2t square. So you have to multiply by 2t square. Then only 2 into 2 is there. 2 t raised to 4. It will become, so you have to make equal the first term. So 2 t raised to 4. Then minus 3 is there. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6t square. Here 0 t cube is not there. So you make it 0 t cube. Then you don't, then you will not confuse. Then minus 3 into plus 2 t square. It will become minus 3 into 2 is 6 t square. So you do this one, minus, this will get cancelled. This is minus, 0 is there, nothing is there. So you can take directly this one. This is plus 60 minus 2 square is 4t square. Then remaining you have to write as it is 9t minus 12. Then t square is there. You have to make 3t cube. So what you have to do? T square to make t cube. T square is t I will take. It will become t cube. You have to take 3 also, no? So 3t. So t square into 3t is 3t cube. Then minus 3 into minus 3. It is minus 9t. It is here coming this one. Minus 9t. Nothing here is there means 0 t square. Minus 3 into 3. Minus 90. Then solve it. It will get cancelled. This is plus. 0 is nothing, you can negate 4t square. This is 90 and this is 90. This is minus 3 into plus 3, 90. So minus 12. So it will become plus. It will become plus, no, because changing the sign. It will become 18t. This plus is there. So minus 12. So it will become minus 12 only. You have to take here minus 12. Then it is remaining 4t square. 9 plus 9 is 4, 18t minus 12. Then t square is 8, you have to make 4. So I have to multiply by 4. 4t square. So for minus 3 into 4, minus 12. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. So minus 12. Remaining is 18t. Oh no, okay. This is minus, no? So minus, this is minus. So this is minus 1, so minus this will plus means it will become 0 only. So this will get cancelled. Remaining is 4t square minus 12. 4t square minus 12. So if you multiply 4t square is there, then you have to make t square is 4 into t square is 4t square. Then minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. So this will become plus sign and this will become minus sign. Cancel. So 0. So if it is coming remainder 0, then it is a factor of t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So you have to simplify it as t square is there. So to make t raised to 4 multiply by t square. 2 is also, so you have to 2t square, 2 raised to 4. Then this minus 3 should you multiply that numbers. Minus 3 into minus 2 is minus 3 into 2 is 6, so minus 6t square, minus 6t square. S cube is not there, so I written 0t cube. Next 6t square, then minus this one plus 3t cube. Minus 2 is there, plus 6 is, so it will become plus 4t square, minus 90 minus 12. Then multiply it by 3 because t square is there, we have to make 3t cube. So 3t I have taken. 3t cube get cancelled, then t square is not there, so minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 90, and this is, it will become, change the sign, plus 90, this will cancel, and 4t square minus 12, then t square minus 3 is there, so you have to multiply by 4. T square into 4 is 4t square, minus 3 into 4 is minus 12, so minus 3 into 4 is minus 12, then both get cancelled. So the t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 2 minus 9 to minus 12. Then the second one, and it is a factor, and they have asked what they so first polynomial you can write, first polynomial is a factor of first polynomial is factor of second polynomial, factor of second polynomial. So it is the first one. So like that you will try for second one. Second one what they given. See, they given 3x raised to 4. Directly I am writing. Write the second time as the dividend. 3x raised to 4, 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. It is divided by x square plus 3x plus 1. So they given 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2, and g of x is x square plus 3x plus 1. So if you do the problem, so x square is there, so you have to make x raised to 4, so you have to multiply x square, and 3 is also present, so you have to take 3x square here. So 3x square into x square is 3x raised to 4. Then this one over, so you have to take this one. 3x into 3x is 9x cube plus 9x cube. Then plus 1 into plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x square plus 3x square. So you have to change the sign of the downside. So minus this one get cancelled. This will become minus. So minus 9 minus plus 5. So minus 4. Minus 4x cube. This will become minus 7x minus 3x. So minus 10x square. Then you have to take the next numbers. 2x plus 2 as it is. Then x cube is there, square is there, so we have to make x cube. So we have to multiply by x, and minus 4 is also there. So minus 4x. So minus 4x into x into x square is minus 4x cube. Then 3x into minus 4x is minus 12x square. Minus 12x square. Then 1 into 1 into minus 4 is minus 4x. Minus 4x. So this will become plus. So it get cancelled. And this will become plus. This is 12 minus 10 is 2x square. Then this will become plus. So plus 2 plus 4. So plus is x plus number remaining constant term 2. Then x square plus 3x plus 1 you have taken. Then to make 2x square you have to multiply by 2. X square is there, 2 is 2. So 2x square plus 3 into 2 is 6x plus 1 into 2 is 2. So same number is there. So we have to change the signs. Change the signs. Cancel, get cancelled, get cancelled. So 0. So yeah, as that it is also first polynomial is the factor of second polynomial. So the remainder should become 0. Then only it is the that factor of the this g of x will be the factor of this 3x raised to 4 5x cube minus 1x square plus 2x plus 2. Then like you do third one. Third one. Then what they given? Directly write x raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So divided by first time what they given? x cube minus 3x plus 1 plus 1. So x cube minus 3x plus 1 and x raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So you have to make the remainder should become 0. Then only it is the first factor will be the factor of second polynomial. So here x cube is there. So we have to make x raised to 5. Nothing number is there. So directly x square you have to take x square. So x cube into x square is x raised to 5. Then minus 3 is there. Minus 3x into x is minus 3x cube. X into x square is x cube. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 1 is minus 3 only. Then 1 is there. So 1 into x square is x square. So change the sign of the downside numbers. This is my plus is there. Minus will become minus is there. This one plus is there. Minus will become minus and plus. This is minus. Then you get cancelled. Then for minus 4x cube plus 3x cube it will become minus, because minus sign is greater, because 4 is greater than 3, but it is plus, it is minus, so minus is greater, so I have to take the minus x cube. Then plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Then you have to take 3x, then the remaining number 1. Then x square minus 3x plus 1 is there, so you have to make x cube. So minus 1 you have to do. So if you take minus 1, it will become minus x cube. So minus 3x into 1 is plus 3x. Then plus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 into minus 1 is 1. So this will get cancelled, because plus this will minus get cancelled. Oh, you have to no, plus 1. Okay. X cube is there. So for wait. So you try for the next. Minus 1. So s cube is there. So you have to make minus. So minus 1. So minus x cube. Then minus 3x is into 1 is plus 3x. Then plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So s cube get cancelled and 3x is cut down. But this will become plus because changing the sign. It will become remainder 2. So remainder is 2. So r of x is you getting not getting 0. So then first polynomial is not factor of first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial because the remainder is 2. Okay. When you writing this one, if you get confused with the powers, if it is not there in the downside number, so you have to write add 0 h cube. So here s cube is there, so I written directly. If it is coming s square means s cube you have to write plus 0 s cube. It is downside means the sign will change. If not, the number will be same. Only you have to change the sign because downside you have to change the sign. Subtraction is there, no division. So that like that. So if your remainder is coming 2, so it is not a first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial. So next 3 problems are there. First main, second main I done. In first main I left the third one. You have to write for it. This is first, second, third I will done. Then the remaining the problems I will continue in the next class. So you have to be careful in this when you are doing the multiplications. So minus is there. So minus and plus you have to make the changes. Minus 1 plus is there means it will become minus, plus into minus is minus into minus will become plus. So you have to, when there is no number of x cube or any degree, then you have to take x 0. If it is there means you can take directly. If it is not there means you have to take that downside only you have to take, which is the power is there, no same power you have to take downside. Then only it will be not confused, and which is not there you can write 0 x cube. Then it is minus will be minus. If it is minus means it will become minus. If it is plus means it will become minus. So the sign will be changed. So I think you have understood this one topic. So try, practice this problem again and again, and you will get the result. So please subscribe my channel and support me. And if you like the video, you can share it to the students who are studying the 10th standard. Thank you.